pati rin po yung Q, which is negative 2, 1, 3. Find your G at P. Okay, so anong gagawin lang natin kapag ganyan? G at P. So therefore, we are going to evaluate your G into P. Okay, so therefore, this is now 24 times yung ating point na P. Ayan. So, yan lang yung pagkukuhanan lang natin ng XYZ. So, this is 24 times 1 times 2 AX plus 12 multiplied by x squared. So, 1 squared plus 2 multiplied by AY. Then, plus 18 times yung ating Z, negative 1 squared AZ. Okay? So, therefore, this is 48 AX plus 12 times 3. Okay, so this is 36 AY, then plus 18 AZ. And that's letter, okay, letter C. Okay, number 20. Find acute angle between the two vectors, 2AX plus AY plus 3AZ, and your vector AX minus 3AY plus 2AZ. Take note, sabihin na lang natin itong first vector. Let's see, call this as vector A. And yung B natin, let's call this as vector B. Okay? So, we are asked to find the acute angle. So, we will use your dot product. So, angle between two vectors. Dot product lang yan. Okay? So, that is A dot B is equal to absolute value ng A, absolute value ng B, cosine of your angle between them. Ayan. Kukunin natin yung ating theta, AB. So, this is arc cosine lang ng A dot B all over magnitude ng A, magnitude ng B. So, take note, naka-degree mode tayo dapat dito kasi naka-decrease yung ating choices. So, shift mode, decrease lang. Ayan. So, that is now mode 8, VCT A. So, that is 2, 1, then 3. 2, 1, and then 3. Then, AC tayo. Then, shift mode. Dimension ulit. Vector B, 3 dimension. So, this is 1, negative 3, then 2. So, press natin yung AC. Yan. So, therefore, this is arc cosine lang. Okay, may parenthesis dito sa loob. So, this is VCT A dot VCT B divided by, okay, so hindi kasya. Move ko lang to. So, divided by absolute value ng ating VCTA multiplied by absolute value ng VCTB. Yan. Sige, ano yun natin? Type natin yan. So, arc cosine ng A. Dapat naka-ano yung parenthesis, no? Yan. Kung ano ang nagbuka, siya rin sasara. Okay, so that is VCTA. So, shift vector, vector A. Then, shift vector. Okay, that po tayo. So, 7. Then, vector B. So, 4 lang po ito. Then, divided by absolute value. So, shift height lang po for abs. Okay, so that is shift vector A. So, sasaraduhan lang po natin yan. Multiplied by, so that is shift height ulit, absolute value ng B. Okay, so sasaraduhan lang ulit natin yan. So, press natin equal. So, this is 69.075. And that's letter A. Okay, so let's have number 21. So, 3 vectors extending from the origin given as R1, R2, and R3 Find the area of the triangle defined as the heads of R1, R2, and R3. So kung kung di pa kayo sanay sa mga ganitong problem, so drawing lang natin yung mga given, okay, since triangle, okay, drawing natin yung triangle. So this is R1, position vector R1, R2, and then R3. Okay, take note lang, kapag area yung hinahanap, dapat meron tayong isang destination, okay? So we have R2, then dito na rin sa kabila, R2 rin. So, isa lang dapat yung destination. Kasi ang ating area is equal to what? That is 1/2 of your absolute value ng R12 cross R32. Okay? Ayan. So, ang gawin na lang natin is that store na lang natin yung R1 kay A. Then, si R2 naman, si B. Then, store natin sa CC, R3. So, sige, mode 8 tayo. So, mode 8, vector A. So, that is 7, 3, negative 2. Then, we have AC. So, shift vector, dimension. Next is vector 2. Okay, vector B. Okay. Then, ilang dimension? So, 3. Ayan. So, we have negative 2, 7, and then 3, or negative 3. Then, press AC ulit. So, shift vector 1 ulit for DIM. Next is vector 3, 3 dimension, so 1. Okay? So, dito, we have 0, 2, and then 3. Okay? So, press natin AC. Then, kunin na natin yung area. So, 1/2 of your absolute value ng Take note, R12 is from 1 going to 2. So, therefore, so that is 2 minus 1. Okay? So, that is VCTB. Take note, VCTB yung ating destination minus yung ating VCTA. So, that is R12. So, that is from the starting point 1 going to your destination. Destination minus yung ating reference point. Okay? Next is cross the quantity 3 going to 2, or that is 2 minus 3. Okay? So that is vector B minus vector vector C. Okay? Take note, yung ating dito is 2. Yung ating destination. Laging mauuna yun. Okay? So, sige. Type natin. So, this is 0.5 absolute value of the quantity. So, lagyan lang natin yung mga parenthesis dito. So, cross. Ayan. And dito na. So, shift vector, vector A. Vector B minus vector A. So, shift vector, vector A, that is 3. Then, yung susunod, vector B minus vector C. Okay. So, press natin yung equals. So, yan ay sagot. And this is approximately 33. Okay? Rounded off to the nearest whole number. Letter B. Next na tayo, number 22. Consider the vector field G is equal to YAX plus 3AC and the point Q45 or 452. Find the scalar projection of G at Q in the direction A. N is equal to 1/3 2AX plus 2AX plus AY minus 2AZ. Okay? So, take note, as you can see dito, sa binigay sa atin na direction, okay, naka-fraction na yan. So, siguro this is now a unit vector. So, wala na tayong problema dito. Okay? So, take note lang, ang hinahanap is projection of your G on AN. Yan. Ito yung direction natin. But since naka-unit vector na yan, so hindi na natin gagalawin yan. So, dito na lang tayo sa G. Okay? So, hanapin muna natin yung G at your point Q, 4, 5, 2. Okay? So, therefore, so G now is equal to Y, which is 5AX minus 2.5 x. So, this is times 4 times AY plus 3AZ. Okay? So, therefore, this is 5AX minus 10 AY plus 3AZ. Yan. So, gawin na lang natin dito. Store na lang natin to sa VCTA. Then, yung ating direction or yung unit vector na I, store natin sa VCTB. Okay? So, therefore, yung ating projection of G on N or AN, so that is G dot yung ating directional vector, AN. So, therefore, projection of your G on AN now will be equal to VCTA dot VCTB. Okay? So, sige, try natin. Mode 8, VCTA, 3 dimension. So, that is 5 minus 10, then 3. Okay? Press AC, so shift vector, dim. So, 1, then VCTB, 2. So, 3 dimension. So, we have 1/3 times 2. So, 2/3. We have 1/3. We have negative 2/3. Ayan. So, that is shift vector. Declare natin si A. Then, shift vector, dot product. So, 7. So, next is shift vector B. Okay, for dito. And this is negative 2. Okay. So, therefore, that is letter B. Ayan. So, since hindi na kaya ng time natin, so, picturean na natin yung iba. Okay. Sige. Let's have number 23. 23. Okay. Cross product yung sagot. Letter C. So, the sign of your smaller angle between A and B. Next, transformation of coordinates. So, from Cartesian to spherical. So, that is R, theta, then phi. So, nandito na yung formula, no? Okay. The answer is boy. Part 1, then part 2. Next, number 25. So, from Cartesian to cylindrical, ito naman po. Part 1, then part 2. Next, number 26. Okay, summation lang. So, by shift logarithm, yung upper right. Okay, yung may mga box na logarithm doon. Type nyo lang yan. So, ito yung lalabas. Boy, yung sagot. Next, 27. Cat. Okay. Length lang ng vector. So, square root of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Next, cross product lang, or I should say A cross B or AB cross AC. Okay, cross product. Letter B. Next, 29. So, yan ano nyo lang siya, evaluate nyo lang, and that's letter A. Next, number 30. Okay? So, ito, bonus ito kasi hindi ko na ilagay yung point na evaluation ninyo. Okay? So, this is letter C. Bonus. Okay, bonus po. Next, number 31. Cut. Next, number 32. Using that product po, ang nakuwang angle ay 90 degrees. So, that is orthogonal or perpendicular. Kapag parallel po kasi 0 degrees. Kapag null vectors, okay. So, 0, 0, 0 yung coordinates natin dito lahat. Okay. We have also your collinear. So, they are lying on the same line. Okay. Next, 33. Vector projection. Letter B. Part 1. Then, part 2. Next, 34, cut, that product lang. Next, 35, boy. Next, 36, apple. Magnitude lang. The next, 37, divergence. Dog. Next, 38, part 1. Boy. Boy yung sagot dito. Tapos, part 2. Then, number 39, cut. So, take note, nakapay yung ating angle dito. So, naka-region mode ka dapat. Okay. Next tayo, number 40. Okay. As you can see, naka-pi pa rin tayo dito. But this is a dot product pa rin. Region measure of the acute angle between the planes. So, that product lang yan. Then, apply your arc cosine. Okay. Pero ang problema dito, ang nakuha niya is yung ano dito, yung obtuse angle. So, which is 120 degrees. So, kunin nyo yun nandito sa kabila. So, that is pi over 3. Next, other math question, number 41, when we say certain to occur or sure na mag-o-occur. So, syempre, kapag mag-sure, equal to 1. Letter C. Next, number 42, cut. Number 43, permutation regard to the order. Kapag no regard to the order or hindi kailangan yung order, combination. Okay? Next, number 44, cut. Imaginary. Next, number 45, cut. None. Take note po. 200 is a composite number. 202 is an even number. Lahat po except 2 is composite. We have 203 divisible by 7. We have 204 even yan. 205 divisible by 5. 206, this is even number. 207 divisible by 3. 208, okay, even number yan, I should say. We have 209 divisible by 11 and 210, that is even number. So there's none. Okay, wala pong prime number. Next, 46. Arithmetic progression, kabaliktaran lang ng harmonic. Next, 47. Real, rational, and unequal. So, from your algebra. 48. So, letter B. A is equal to 0 or Y equal to 0. Alin man sa kanila ang mag-0. Okay? Next, number 49, mutually exclusive. When we say mutually exclusive, hindi pwedeng mangyari ng sabay. Okay? So, letter A, pwede to. Okay. Event na ace, yung mabunot, at saka black. Okay? Take note, merong black card na ace. Okay? Yung spade at saka yung club. Okay? Next, yung B naman, queen and event heart. Meron naman tayong queen of hearts, di ba? So, pwede silang sabay. So, that is not mutually exclusive. Next, letter C. So, meron pa rin to, 10 of spades. Pero take note, letter D, hindi po ito pwedeng mangyari. Diamond na club. Okay, hindi po pwedeng mangyari yan. Next, number 50. So, which of the following best describes negative 3 plus I raised to 1/2? Okay, this is only just a complex number. So, that is A plus BI. So, that ends our vectors quiz. So, have a great day. Susunod po, ESAS. So, mag-review kayo ng objectives.